following content constitutes both an update and technical analysis on NFLX Incorporated, a company of the consumer cyclical sector media, here off the daily interval. By the advertisement option and given the availability of no-cost alternatives such as Pluto, Freevee, Roku channels, and a whole combination of others, where you have a free streaming service and now they have a subscription, alternative users that are being banned from using somebody else's user face. Here we are, based off a primary uptrend line, reactionary low trend line off the July reactionary lows of 2022. Huge support. Talk about 5 distinct reactionary lows. Massive key inflection point where we have the 50 and 50 exponential moving average being tested as of now. And what I would like to see is a solid daily candle close below the 319.97 price support here, which really just coincides with both support and primary reactionary low uptrend line support. So call it a key inflection point. And if you're bullish, hey, this is where you have a potential revisit of this primary uptrend line in a dollar cost average scenario, and gunning for the next leg up with a huge volume profile zone around this key range too as well. So we'll see if the bulls can remain intact. As far as any moves to the upside, 351.18 would be a pretty nice first target. That'd be your first target there, especially if you're gunning for a remainder of that first target. If you're bullish, I believe NFLX is going to go to the upside for 7.5% in gains there, setting some stops below there for a key inflection point. Again, ton of support below. You have this strength scale, pretty darn great support there, coinciding with the 50 exponential moving average. Well, you got a lot of support there, but as far as trading, I will remain patient and wait for a solid candle break below that key inflection point to start scaling in. They reported lower guidance in their quarterly earnings, and lower guidance is bullish until it's not. And once the reality sets in, usually you could have some sort of a reactionary to the downside. Take away a lot of the lines here, and as you see here, sort of a head and shoulder classic looking top is what I'm looking at here. The bullish case scenario. As far as the bullish, you have a beautiful, well-defined 3 inside up bullish continuation pattern here. Pretty clean, coinciding with that gap there. That's a very bullish candlestick pattern. And anything's possible. Maybe we end up having a back test, retest of this primary uptrend line. Long traders, bull traders end up defending it and ends up taking off to its upside there. So again, anything is possible. What we have to do, really remain patient in some of these key inflection points being taken out, and add some more check marks to the evidence of where this next underlying trend will take us.